All right, guys, this activity for writing wants you to learn to combine sentences and eventually with the thought of going back and editing yesterday's writing that you did, your journal entry. So I know that Mr. Miller and Miss Nash will be going over all of this with you. So I think rather than you listening to it again, I'm going to move along. I believe they'll be doing these 2 pages with you. So we're going to go down to page 9 and, oops, 9 and 10. Oh, okay. All right. So let's see what it says here. Independent practice. For numbers 1 to 5, choose the best way to combine each pair of sentences. Okay, let's move on here. Let's see, where am I? All righty. We did journal, and your teachers probably did this with you yesterday. I see that that should have been done yesterday. So today's is 9, 10, I believe. Hold on, let me see. Okay, let's take a look at this. This is page 9. And we are going to look at these. I'm going to read them and then you can determine which one is correct. All right, so Lori is creative. She was in charge of building the set. So these are 2 simple sentences, and we want to combine them into one sentence. A, Lori is Lori is creative, comma, because she was in charge of building the set. Okay, she isn't creative because she is in charge of building the set. She's in charge of building the set because she's creative. Okay? B, Lori is creative but was in charge of building the set. No, that would be, that doesn't make sense either to say but she was in charge. She's creative, that's why she's in charge. Okay. C, Lori is creative, so she was in charge of building the set. All right, that sounds pretty good. Because she was a creative person, she was in charge of building the set. All right, and then here, although Lori is creative, she was in charge of building the set. Okay, although makes it sound like it's opposite of this, okay? So your correct answer there would be C. Lori is creative. Because she is creative, she was in charge of building the set. Okay? All right, so that's one I did with you, but I'm not going to do them all with you. All right, I will read them though. Number 2, the Emerald City was hard to make. It all had to be green. Okay, we want to combine those. A, the Emerald City was hard to make, so it all had to be green. B, when the Emerald City was hard to make, it all had to be green. The Emerald City was hard to make because it all had to be green. D, the Emerald City was hard to make or it all had to be green. All right, you decide which one on that. Number 3, the curtain finally rose. The audience gasped. Okay, so this means like a curtain at a theater, okay, and the audience gasped. All right, so 2 simple sentences we're going to combine to one sentence. A, when the curtain finally rose, the audience gasped. B, the curtain finally rose, but the audience gasped. C, the curtain finally rose, unless the audience gasped. D, although the curtain finally rose, the audience gasped. So you want to think about that and circle the right answer there. Number 4, green lights cast a strange glow. They made the set look scary. All right. A, green lights cast a strange glow, but they made the set look scary. B, green lights cast a strange glow and made the set look scary. C, green lights cast a strange glow or made the set look scary. D, green lights cast a strange glow unless they made the set look scary. All right, you think about how's best to combine those. And number 5, let me start again. Now nothing could go wrong. The set collapsed. A, now nothing could go wrong and the set collapsed. B, now nothing could go wrong or the set collapsed. C, now nothing could go wrong when the set collapsed. And D, now nothing could go wrong unless the set collapsed. All right, so what it says here is reread what you wrote in part 1, combine any choppy sentences by using what you have learned about conjunctions. Okay, so this was all about using conjunctions to combine sentences. All right, and I know your teachers went through this with you. All right, so this was for, let's see, Wednesday, May 6th. Okay. All right, guys. Like I said, next week I will combine these together in one video. All right, good luck with that. Do your best and have a good day. We'll see you tomorrow. Okay, bye-bye.